Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a tutorial for this really pretty Eastery Pastel Eye look. So if you guys want to see how I did it and how many products I used, not many, keep on watching. And if you enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and become a member of my YouTube family. And don't forget to hit that little bell so you get notifications when I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday. So let's jump right on in and get started. Okay, so let's jump right into this pretty Easter pastel look. Okay, so first off, I'm going to be using the NYX Ultimate Brights eyeshadow palette. Why couldn't I remember the word that's eyeshadow palette? Okay, so I have not pre-planned this look. I've never done it before, so we're doing it together. And it's going to turn out good. Positive thinking is a positive outcome. That's just what I think. Okay, so I'm going to go in with this shade right here. It is the lightest greeny shade, like a mint green, if you will. I don't know, and just a little brush. I'm going to get quite a bit. I'm going to put that all in the crease area. And I've actually never played with the pastels, really. I don't know why. I think maybe it's just because I lean more towards the bolder colors. But I figured with Easter right around the corner, why not? You know. It's going to blend it out. That's not bad. It's not bad at all. This is going to turn out good. I can feel it. Can you feel it? Okay, the other eye. Okay, so now that we have that bluey minty green on, I am going to, do I use this one? Yeah, I guess I'll use this one. I'm going to use this huge brush. I think it's a concealer brush actually, but I'm going to use it for whatever I want. Okay, so I'm going to use this shade right here. It's a lilac-y shade right there. I'm just going to put some of this on here. We may end up changing this. I don't know yet. We'll see. I'm going to put this right onto the lid. Okay, so this brush really isn't working. I'm going to try not to tap off any of the product and see how that works. This really isn't the brush that I wanted to use, but it's the only one that was available at the moment. Okay, so I'm about to just use my finger. We're going to see how that works. I'm going to use my finger. Oh, that's much better. So I'm just going to put this right onto the lid. And I'm going to bring it all the way over into the outer corner, and I'm going to blend that out in a minute. Okay, so now that you have the other eye done, I am going to actually use the same purple. Do I use purple? Do I use green? Maybe I'll do half and half. Let's do half and half. You want to? Let's do it. What the hey? You only live once, right? Okay, so I'm going to use this not so great brush. And I'm going to put on some more of that purple, and I'm going to pop this on the bottom inner lash line. Right here. If it works. It doesn't look promising. Let's try this other brush. Try this one. Maybe that one will work better. Yes. Pop the purple on the inner. Try not to poke yourself in the eye. Lord knows I've done that 1,000 times. Okay. Okay, now that you have that, I'm going to try to dust some of this purple off, and I'm going to pick up some of that pretty green, Zimint green, and do the outer corner. Oh yes, I like that. And then with the first brush that I used for the green, I'm going to go in and blend a little bit. Just try to blend it all together, like that, the green areas. Okay, let me go ahead and pop on some eyeliner and mascara, and I'll be right back. And I'm going to use this other product I haven't used in years. Now that I have my eyeliner and my mascara on, this is what we're looking at so far. You have the pretty minty green and the pretty purple, lilac-y, lavender, whatever you want to call it. I'm kind of digging it. Kind of feeling it. Okay, so I normally, with the inner corner and the highlight, I normally go in with the Urban Decay Midnight Cowboy. I'm going to change it up. Just for pastel-y reasons, I'm going to use this. I cannot remember for the life of me where it came from, where I bought it, or what year I bought it in. I've had it for a long time. This is color changing shimmer powder, and it is in the shade Wave. I don't know. Wherever I got it from, I paid $5.50 for it. So I really don't know. If I take the label off, maybe. It doesn't say. It says from Gadzooks. It doesn't tell me anything. Was there a store that used to be called Gadzooks? Maybe? I don't know, but you can tell like the label was like super old. Anyway, okay, I'll quit rambling. Okay, so it's like a translucent powder. I used to use this all the time, like back in the day. And it comes with a little puff, and I'll just, it's like this purpley blue iridescent-y shade. And I thought it would go perfect with this look. So I think I'm going to put it on. I'm going to put it on that brush that we did everything with, just so I can kind of get a precise type thing going on. I'm going to pop some of that on right off of the puff. It's falling down my hand. And we're going to pop it in the inner corner to see how well it goes. Oh boy, buddy. I think this was perfect for this look. I'm going to get this powder all over my black shirt. Okay, so I think I've depleted what was on the puff. I'm going to just dip into the little holy container. Daggone. Let me swatch this for you just so you can see like what it looks like. So it looks very like a very whitey powder blue. But then you swatch it. Actually, let me see if I can do it with this. Also, let me see if I can get a yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. I'm digging it. Okay, so you can kind of see it on the eye. I mean, it's like super duper bright up here. Let me pop some up there on my brow bone. I'm going to be bold and brave today. Oh, Lord. Okay, here we go. Okay. All right. This side. Okay, so let me close up shop and show you what it looks like up close. Let me move that. So this is what it's looking like. You have this like really super pretty minty green, your lavendery purpley shade. And then you can kind of see it. I did a very light hand up here. You can kind of see it, but down here, boom. I'm totally pleased with how this look turned out. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please, please, please hit that subscribe button and become a member of my YouTube family. And you guys, if you guys want to see my notifications, like if you guys want to get notified, please hit that little bell that is next to the subscribe button. And I'll pop up in your feed and you'll get a notification saying that I've posted a video. New videos every Tuesday and Friday, if you didn't know. So that's it for this one. And I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys have a great day.